Good morning, boys and girls. We have a book we're going to read, and then we're going to look at one of our sight words. This is called Bear Feels Scared. We've read some other books about this bear. The author and illustrator are Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So this is the same character that we have read some other stories about already this year. Bear Feels Scared. Here's our title page. Remember, these stories always have a lot of rhyming words in them. In the deep, dark woods by the Strawberry Vale, a big bear lumbers down a small, crooked trail. Bear's tummy growls as he looks for a snack, but it's cold, 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 so the bear turns back. He is not home yet when the sun starts to set, and the bear feels scared. Bear shakes and he shivers as a storm starts to howl. Bear mutters, "What is that? Are there spooks on the prowl?" He looks very scared. The path gets dimmer and the sky turns gray. Bear looks to and fro, but he can't find his way. He huddles by a tree and he wails, "Poor me!" And the bear feels scared. Meanwhile, back in the warm, cozy lair, friends start to worry for their poor, lost bear. "It is late," Mouse squeaks, "and our bear doesn't roam." "There's a storm," cries Hare. "Shouldn't Bear be home?" Wren tweets from his perch, "We must all go search. What if Bear feels scared?" Now, Wren is the bird. The friends bundle up and begin to prepare. They form a search party for their lost friend Bear. But Bear is all alone, and he sheds big tears. There's a noise in the forest, and he feels big fears. Bear trembles in the wind, how he longs for a friend, and the bear feels scared. Badger lights a lamp, and he shouts, "Let's go!" All the birds search high, while the rest search low. With a flounce and a flutter, they set off together. They trudge down the trail through the wild, wet weather. They call, "Ho, Bear! Are you there? Are you there?" And the bear feels scared. But he perks up his ears. Is it Mole calling out? And is that Hare's voice? Does Bear hear him shout? Wren, Owl, and Raven all squawk from the sky. "It is Bear! He is there!" And they sigh big sighs. They're glad they found him. By a tree waits Bear, 10 feet from his lair, and the bear looks scared. So, boys and girls, he was almost home when he got lost. He didn't know how close he was. With a flap and a flurry, all the friends gather near. They give him bear hugs, and they calm his bear fears. They're trying to make him feel better. Later in the night, all clustered in a heap, the bear spins stories while his friends fall asleep. Cuddled up tight, they snore through the night, and the bear feels safe. Well, he is so glad that his friends found him. All right, boys and girls, so we're going to look at a sight word. This story is always this word is always in a lot of our stories, and we use it a lot when we're writing. This is the word Is. I-S. Just a short little word, short I sound and an S. Is. So everywhere that you see that word, you are going to color it. So I see it right there in the very first circle. Is. I'm going to color it. Color with the crayon, please. Oh, and be very careful. That one says in. It's very close, but it is not is. There's is. I'm going to go row by row. There it is. And don't just color anywhere that you see a word that begins with the letter I, because they've also got it and they've got in. They're trying to trick you to see if you're being careful. So go all the way across. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I found it 25 times. So after you finish and you think you found them all, count to see how many you got. You should get 25. If you didn't, keep looking. All right, then it wants you to trace the word is. You will use your pencil for this. I-S. And then write the word is. I-S. They're both short letters. I-S. I-S. Then read and match. You might need a grown-up to help you with this. This is my pet dog. So I'm going to draw a line to where I see a kid with a dog. This is my pet cat. Draw a line to that picture. This is my pet fish. And draw a line to that picture. All right, boys and girls, so working on the word is, I-S. Please make sure you are practicing those sight words at home because it's almost time to get some new ones, which means I'll be checking the ones you already have. So you need to be practicing them a couple of times every week. All right, boys and girls, let me know if you need any help.